it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Kendrick Lamar. Not like us. Kendrick Lamar, not like us. I believe this is a Drake, this. So, we're going to jump in the one and hear what the G have to say. I know a lot of things going to go over my head, but this is why the comment section is there for you guys to say, yo, this, you missed this, and this is what he meant by this, and because, you know, hip-hop is not my normal genre that I react to. So, we're going to jump in the one and hear what the G have to say. Let's go.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go! I am reincarnated. I was stargazing. Life goes on. I need her, my babies. Woke up looking for the broccoli. High key, keep a horn on me. That could my seat. IP ownership. The blueprint is by me. Mr. Get Off. I get off at my feet.
Honestly, the blueprint is by me. So am I a J copying style? Or am I thinking too quick into it?
Babies. Woke up looking for the broccoli. High key, keep a horn on me. That could my seat. IP ownership. The blueprint is by me. Mr. Get Off. I get off at my feet.
What's the password?
I see dead people.
Bumbleclaw, the Undertaker, that's Undertaker from wrestling, WWE, WWF from them time. I see dead people. Bumbleclaw.
What's the password?
I see dead people.
Oh, okay.
You late.
Hey, monster on the beat, ho, Debo, any rap nigga, he a freak throw, man down, call her Amber Lambs, tell him breathe, bro, nail a nigga to the cross, he walk around like Tizo. What's up with these jabroni ass niggas trying to see Compton? The industry can hate me, fuck them all and they mama, how many options?
The industry can hate me, fuck them and their mother. Yes, we don't give a fuck. We're flinging fucks out here. Fuck you and your mother. Yes.
Man down, call her Amber Lambs, tell him breathe, bro, nail a nigga to the cross, he walk around like Tizo. What's up with these jabroni ass niggas trying to see Compton?
What's up with this jabroni? Who? Wait, wasn't that the Rock saying jabroni? So far we see two references from wrestling already, right? The first one was I See Dead People by Undertaker. No, jabroni by the Rock.
Debo, any rap nigga, he a freak throw, man down, call her Amber Lambs, tell him breathe, bro, nail a nigga to the cross, he walk around like Tizo. What's up with these jabroni ass niggas trying to see Compton? The industry can hate me, fuck them all and they mama, how many options you really got? I mean, it's too many options. I'm finna pass on this body, I'm John Stockton. Beat your ass and hide the Bible if God watching. Sometimes you got
What?
Beat your ass and hide the Bible if God watching.
Beat your ass and hide the Bible if God is watching. What?
Beat your ass and hide the Bible if God watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up to score with him. Walk him down whole time, I know he got some hoe in him. Pull on him, extort shit, bully the flow on him. Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1.
Shots fired by Angel.
With him, walk him down whole time. I know he got some hoe in him. Pull on him, extort shit, bully the flow on him. Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1. To any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister from him.
Guys, the reason why I'm wearing this wristband today is because I have my wrist is in a bit of pain and it's a bit swollen, so I'm just trying to support it. So nothing is wrong. Nothing is wrong before you guys start commenting. Coming on no fast.
Flow on him, say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1. To any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister from him. They tell me Chubb's the only one that get your hand-me-downs. And party at the party playing with his nose now. And Baka got a weird case, why is he on hand-me-downs? And party at the party playing with his nose now. And Baka got a weird case, why is he around? Certified lover boys, certified pedophiles. Wow. Baka got a weird case, why is he around? Certified lover boys, certified pedophiles. Wop, 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 wop. That fuck 'em up. Wop, wop.
That's OVO's the old Jake's label, OVO. That's the logo. All is a logo, and he's fucking walking up all right here.
Certified lover boys, certified pedophiles. Wop, 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 wop. That fuck 'em up. Wop, 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 wop.
That fuck 'em up.
Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord, and it's probably A minor.
Is he calling Jake a pedophile? Is he calling Jake a...
Fuck 'em up. Wop, 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 wop. I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord, and it's probably A minor.
I'm playing hopscotch, the bumbuckler. Niggas playing hopscotch out in the playing ground. Basically, he's just having fun. He's just doing... He's making this shit look so easy, bro. Like, Kendrick is making this shit look easy. Effortless.
A minor. They not like us. 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 You think the Bay gon' let you disrespect Pop, nigga? I think that Oakland show gon' be your last stop, nigga. Us. You think the Bay gon' let you disrespect Pop?
Yo.
Like us. They not like us. They not like us. You think the Bay gon' let you disrespect Pop, nigga? I think that Oakland show gon' be your last stop, nigga. They cold foul. I don't know why you still pretending. What is the owl? Bird niggas and bird bitches. Nigga. They cold foul. I don't know why you still pretending.
What is that? Oh, bird nigga and bird bitches. The OVO label is back to
I think that Oakland show gon' be your last stop, nigga. They cold foul. I don't know why you still pretending. What is the owl? Bird niggas and bird bitches. Go. The audience not dumb. Shape the stories how you want. Hey Drake, they're not slow. Rabbit hole is still deep. I can go further, I promise. Ain't that something? Be rest. That's for bitching. You Malibu most.
Hold on, them man. He's saying that the rabbit hole, basically the shit when him have pan Jake is much more deeper than what than what he's revealed already. He can go deeper, I promise. Like, Jake, fuck around and find out. That is what he's saying. Is Jake gonna reply to this? Is Jake gonna reply?
Rabbit hole is still deep. I can go further, I promise. Ain't that something?
Jesus.
Be rest, that's for bitching. You Malibu most wanted. Ain't no law boy, you ball boy. Fetch Gatorade or something. Since 2009, I had this bitch jumping. You niggas will get a wedgie. Be flipped over your boxes. Or over your foe. The other vaginal option.
What OVO for? The other vaginal. Oh my God. What is OVO stand for? The other vaginal. The vaginal option. Oh my God. He is taking the piss. He is taking the fucking piss, dog. The man revamp OVO. What OVO stand for? Other vaginal.
Jumping, you niggas will get a wedgie. Be flipped over your boxes or over your foe. The other vaginal option. Pussy, nigga better straighten they posture. Got favorites all up in contact. Might write this with a doctor. Tell a pop star quit hiding. Fuck a caption, won't action. No accident, I'm hands on. He fuck around, get polished. Fucked on Wayne Girl, he was in jail. That's conniving.
Fucked on Wayne Girl. Oh, wow. While he was in jail, that. Yo.
No action, no accident, I'm hands on. He fuck around, get polished. Fucked on Wayne Girl, he was in jail. That's conniving. Then get his face tatted like a bitch apologizing. I'm glad D-Rose came home, y'all didn't deserve him neither. From Alondra down to Central, nigga better not speak on Serena. And your homeboy needs subpoena. That predator moving flocks. That name gotta be registered and placed on neighborhood watch. Apologizing. I'm glad D-Rose came home, y'all didn't deserve him neither. From Alondra down to Central, nigga better not speak on Serena. And your homeboy needs subpoena. That predator move.
Your homeboy need a Who? Which homeboy? Who?
Didn't deserve him neither. From Alondra down to Central, nigga better not speak on Serena. And your homeboy needs subpoena. That predator moving flocks. That name gotta be registered and placed on neighborhood watch.
He's saying you got to put well, your own boy name needs to be on the sex offenders list. It needs to be on the pedophilia list. That is what the G is saying, bro, not me.
And your homeboy needs subpoena. That predator moving flocks. That name gotta be registered and placed on neighborhood watch. I lean on you niggas like another line of walk. Yeah, it's all eyes on me and I'ma send it up the pot. Ay, put the wrong label on me, I'ma get them dropped. Ay, sweet chin music and I won't pass the ox. Ay,
Sweet chin music. That's from Bret Hart in wrestling. Sweet chin music. They kick to the chin. He's referencing the legendary wrestler.
Put the wrong label on me, I'ma get them dropped. Ay, sweet chin music and I won't pass the ox. Ay, how many stocks do I really have in stock? Ay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. Ay, devil is a lie, here's 69 God. Ay, freaky ass niggas need to stay their ass inside. Ay.
The devil is a liar, there's a 69 God. So remember, oh Jesus Christ, he's going back to Drake's the album. What was the name? What was Drake's album name when it was 76 God or something like that? It must have 69 God.
Ay, devil is a lie, here's 69 God. Ay, freaky ass niggas need to stay their ass inside. Ay, roll their ass up like a fresh pack of Zod. Ay, city is back up, it's a must, we outside. Ay. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. Once upon a time, all of us was in chains. Homie still double down, calling us some slaves. Atlanta was the mecca, building railroads and trains. Bear with me for a second, let me put y'all on game. The settlers was using town folk to make them richer. Fast forward 2024, you got the same agenda. You run to Atlanta when you need a check balance. Let me break it down for you, this the real nigga challenge. You caught Future when you didn't see the club. Hey, what, little baby, help you get your lingo up. What, 21, get your first street cred.
I gone too far. Oh gosh, I gone too far.
In your head. Hey, what Quavo said you can be from Northside. See the check balance, let me break it down for you. This the real nigga challenge. You caught Future when you didn't see the club. Hey,
you caught Future when it didn't see the club. So basically he's saying that the song where you have with Future, that's what put you out there in the club? Is that what he's saying here?
Little baby, help you get your lingo up.
Little baby, help get your lingo up. Little baby, show your piece of the game. That's what he's saying.
What, 21, get your first street cred.
21 Savage, get your first street cred, brother. Man say you're a nerd, you're a bitch. That is what he's saying, not me.
Hey, what, little baby, help you get your lingo up. What, 21, get your first street cred. Thug makes you feel like you.
Oh, give him false street cred. Okay. 21 Savage, give him false street cred.
What, 21,
give you false street cred.
Get your first street cred. Thug makes you feel like you a slime in your head. Hey.
Young Thug make you feel like you're a slime in the head, then it's the slime gang.
What Quavo said you can be from Northside. What 2 Chainz say you good, but he lied. You run to Atlanta when you need a few dollars. No, you not a colleague, you a fucking colonizer. The family matter and the truth of the matter. Here was God's plan to show y'all the liar.
It was God's plan to show you all the liar. God's plan, Jake's song. God's plan. It was God's plan to show you all the liar.
The family matter and the truth of the matter. It was God's plan to show y'all the liar. He a fan. He a fan. He a freaky ass nigga. He a 69 God. Freaky ass nigga. He a 69 God. Hey, run for your life. Hey, run for your life. Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God. Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God. Hey, run for your life. Hey, run for your life. Let me hear you say OV-ho. Say OV-ho. Then step this way.
Not OVO, you know, OV-ho.
Say
taking the piss.
Then step this way. Step that way. Then step this way. Step that way. Are you my friend? Are we locked in? Then step this way, step that way, then step this way, step that way.
Wow, he's got the owl there. Wow. Put him in a cage. Oh my God. Jake, your hands are tied with this one, bro. Your hands are tied with this one, bro. Kendrick is not about to let it go. Yo.
Hey, y'all want to do it again?
What can I say? Jake, yo, bro,
Do not pay somebody to build you a shop.
this one has you in a chokehold, bro. He's taking the piss. He's literally taking the piss, bro. Jake, what go on from this? Oh my god. He said it was God's plan to show you all a liar. God's plan, God. Yo, my God. There's so much shit that went over my head. I know you guys gonna correct me in the comment section anyway. If you're watching from the US and you're fucking with this war, please drop a sub on this and let me know what is what and what I missed, bro. The rabbit hole is deeper. He's got so much more on Jake. He's saying that he's got so much more on Jake. I ain't saying that. He's saying it, bro. Yo. This is more than a music video, bro. This is more than a music video. It's like he's having fun at Jake's funeral, bro. He's having fun at Jake's funeral. Oh, my God. Jake. Kendrick is showing you right here that he's got all the time in the world, bro. He's got all the time in the world to just keep fucking with you, bro. So, I don't know, bro. I don't know. Oh, shit. He called Drake a pedophile. There's so much shit that I, oh, yo, listen. I'm going to leave it there. See you guys in the next one, man. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.